Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to restore the default settings on a Model 577 pulse generator. Sometimes it may be necessary to reset the unit back to default settings when the various settings on the unit are unknown. This may cause the unit to operate differently as intended if you are not familiar with the current setup. If multiple users are operating the unit, or if the setting has been unintentionally changed, this is a quick way to get the unit back to outputting pulses. So before contacting customer service about a unit that is not operating as expected, give this a try first. As you can see on this sample unit, all the system settings, channel settings, as well as the trigger and gate settings have been changed up. So in order to go back to the defaults, what you want to do is go to the storage settings menu and then select the load default button and then press it once and then twice, and you'll notice that the current config is now 0. Now when you go back to the system settings and the trigger settings and the channel settings, you'll see that all those settings are now back to defaults. And once they're back to defaults, the unit will put out pulses in a default state.